back to Sleeper Barbecue. My name is Lance from St. Mary's County, Maryland, and we're going to cook some wings today. I feel like some wings. So we're going to have some wings and we're going to rock them. We'll bring you right back. Alright, we're going to do a couple different things here. First thing, we're definitely going to be using the Uncle Steve's Bird Shake. And I have used this product before. It's called Inspirations. I used a bourbon marinade from this company on a leftover brisket cook, I think it was, that I did. Excellent stuff. I'm really enjoying this product. And I saw this the other day and I said, you know, it might be good on wings, and I'm going to eat some wings. So let's go ahead and start getting this stuff, these wings. You can see I've already clipped the tips of all the wings off. The wings have been sitting here for a little bit. I'm going to get a little bit of Uncle Steve's SPG salt, pepper, and garlic on here also. Well, hopefully we're going to be able to get this whole cook in. We got to get ready to get a tropical storm this weekend. Alright, we got our wings on there and the lights are already flickering around here, so fingers crossed. We'll get this lid closed, open up the vent, or the vent's already open. See if we can't get this cook in. Coming along, won't be long. Alright, earlier tonight, I'm going to go ahead and start putting some of this Inspirations Caribbean inspired mango sauce. Wings are looking absolutely excellent. Personally, you know, I'm not a big fan of brushing the wings any earlier than you have to. Make sure you get that sauce set on there before you start putting something like this on top of it, because all that's going to do is just take all that seasoning, the rubs and stuff that you put on, right back off. A little heavy right now. I need to make sure I save some for at least another second coat. I'm thinking about adding a hot element to this yet too. Alright, while them wings are cooking and that sauce is setting, I am going to, I have some peppers that I grew this year. Cayennes, scorpions, reapers, habaneros. Where I leave off, habaneros, some cherry bomb peppers. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind these peppers up once they finish drying some more. As you can tell, they're not all quite perfect yet, and I still have more to harvest, but I'm going to grind them up into a powder, or into like a pepper shake. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to dehydrate some garlic and then dry some garlic up in it also, and maybe a touch of brown sugar. I ain't decided on that one yet. All right, let's get a couple probes in here. 146, 147, 48. What about the back row? Cheap seats. What about the cheap seats? 145. So in this Inspirations Caribbean inspired mango sauce, looks if I can read the fine print here, or the teeny print. A lively blend of mangoes, sweet red peppers, sweet onions, spices, and a hint of cayenne pepper. A flavorful tropical island combination inspired to the taste buds. we're going to go ahead and give it another little another hit of this sauce. Alright, I'm just going to touch up this sauce a couple areas. Alright, I think that's it for the sauce. It's about time for a little bit of adult time. So wings are done. We're going to take and sprinkle some of our cayenne pepper. Homegrown. I'm sure I'm going to pay for this later, but alright, I can't wait no more. Let's get into this sticky, gooey mess. Oh yeah. Excellent. All right, y'all. Excuse me. There you have it. Mediterranean wings. They rocked. I mean to tell you, they rocked. That touch of the fresh cayenne peppers that were sliced up and added to it. I was afraid it was going to take it over the top, make it too spicy for me, but my mouth is burning. But I tell you what, fantastic! What a great cook! I'm glad y'all could be here with me. Hope to see you come back for another video. My name is Lance, Sleeper Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Until next time, thank you.